Welcome, fellow curious denizen. This is Nirmal,
in New York,
with your co-hosts Nirmal Singh
and Raymond Mohammed, and various guests.
We will be taking you on a journey to restaurants, shops, museums, historic buildings, and many other simply fascinating places in New York City, and quite possibly beyond. We will also have other little highlights and tidbits such as recipes, tips, and much more. You might even get to hear me sing from time to time, so stay tuned.
So, yo, come true. Yeah, by day. Boy, know what I'm saying.
Welcome to the Nirmal in New York Q&A. Let us begin.
Hi Nirmal. Thanks for doing this. Let's start with the first question. What inspired you to create this channel?
When I first moved to New York, I got completely lost all the time. I started to find my way around by searching interesting things. I began with finding local Sikh temples and security job things. I also read, and still do, a blog called Forgotten New York, which inspired me to either pick an item I wanted to find, or pick a random area that made me curious. Sometimes, I just pick a random subway stop and get off to wander around for a few hours. I'm also a film student, and creating this channel is intended to give me some practice in my field in a fun, engaging manner.
That's actually quite brilliant. Speaking of, where are you from originally?
Thank you. I'm of Indian, Mongolian, and various European descent. My grandfather's mother was Indian and married a white guy. My dad's mother had distant Mongolian heritage, and the rest were all sorts of European.
That's so interesting. This has to have inspired your work, am I right?
Oh, it has. I enjoy New York City for its extreme diversity. Because of this, I choose to visit a myriad of places with a wide variety of interests and from different cultures. I find it best to learn about as many cultures as you can and keep an open mind, while respecting your own culture and morals. Even my guest co-hosts represent a variety of different cultures and backgrounds, and I always welcome new people from different places and with different experiences.
That brings me to another question. How do you know your guests?
I've known them from a variety of places. Kate was my best friend from grade school. We know each other over half our lives. Anya is my friend from college. We met in a painting class and graduated together from LaGuardia Community College. We are friends still, and are both going to Queens College. Ray is a friend I met more recently.
Wow, that's pretty cool. You have an interesting mix of people to help you out here. What kind of content do you have in store for us?
The major content will be episodes where I go around, sometimes joined by a core host or core hosts, and tell you about an interesting place or places I found. I will visit and share with you guys a variety of places, restaurants, stores, neighborhoods, parks, and much more. I will also share some interesting tidbits that I've come across. In addition, there will be little interesting clips, recipes, craft projects, non-New York related clips, info clips, Q&As such as this, or some of my other various video projects, as I see fit to post.
How often will you be posting?
Honestly, right now there's a lot going on. I do plan to have a set schedule eventually. For now, things will show up as I have time to produce and upload them. Stay tuned.
Do you plan on any special events, like live streams or giveaways?
As I have time, I do plan on doing some live streams. When I find anything worth a giveaway status, I will do some giveaways for fans at some point. I'm not against that. I have just set up a Patreon for interaction with fans.
Do you have any place where we can donate to you so you and continue your work?
The Patreon site will be the point of interaction between fans and myself. They are also able to contribute to the cause through there. We are planning to work with some partnership sites on cultural preservation causes.
Well, that sounds great. I'm looking forward to the future of your channel, as I'm sure so are you. That's it for now. I do hope you will have more Q&As in the future.
I am indeed looking forward to see where this thing goes. I will have future Q&As for fans. I look forward to interacting with you guys and sharing my creativity and the glorious enigma that is New York City and beyond.